Alright guys, so I'm about to walk in. Again, there's four models. So this is the first one is 1843, 1366, 1598, and the last one is 1736. These are all townhomes located in Inspirada. Let's check it out. 1843 has the largest patio out of all the models. On an end unit, you have four more windows downstairs. That provides plenty of natural light. This model is a 3-bedroom with a loft. Again, being an end unit, you have two windows up here. Headed to the master bedroom. On the left is the huge walk-in closet. And you have the master bathroom. Headed back downstairs. Every single townhome here has a small patio. Before you go upstairs, there's a powder bathroom on the base of the stairs. And this particular model has two master suites. This is the first one. Bathroom on the left, closet on the right. On the right side of the stairs is the laundry room, and then the other master bath. Again, bathroom on the left, closet on the right. Model number 3. This model is, as you can see here, 1598. And then behind me is the small patio. Let's go inside. Okay, that door there is the garage, and that is the powder bathroom for everyone to use downstairs. And let's go upstairs. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. First room. This model has the largest washer and dryer area, right next to the master bedroom. And this is the master closet. Going down the stairs, this is our view. Okay, this is the last model, and this is 1736 end unit. Patio there. Let's go inside. Going upstairs, small landing, and then you got the 2 spare bedrooms on the left side and their bathroom right there. go to the master bedroom. This one, the closet's on the right hand side. Closet does come with a nice window.